Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking fresh chrysanthemum seed and a sterile seed start mix. That's critical because pathogens ruin tiny seedlings. Fill shallow trays with a 1 peat to perlite mix, press lightly, and sow seeds at about 0.5 cm depth so they get enough contact but can still emerge. Once sown, mist gently, cover with a clear dome to hold humidity, and set under a light source immediately. Make sure to label each tray with variety and date so you track progress accurately. You keep seeds warm at 70-75 degrees F and provide 14-16 hours of bright, indirect light. This encourages steady germination and prevents leggy stems. Once seedlings show 2 true leaves, thin to the strongest individuals, and transplant into 3-4-inch pots with fresh mix to give roots room to expand. After about 2 weeks in pots, begin a weak fertilizer at 1/4 strength to support growth. Meanwhile, water from the base when possible to avoid damping off, and to protect, you finish by hardening off seedlings over 7-10 days, increasing outdoor exposure a bit each day until they tolerate full sun. This prevents transplant shock. Plant into well-drained garden beds or larger containers, spacing plants 30-45 cm apart for airflow, then apply a 2-3 cm mulch and water deeply to settle roots. Once established, pinch back to encourage branching. If problems arise, like yellow leaves, check for overwatering and poor drainage first. Adjust irrigation and improve soil structure to fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.